Jack.
Baby.
Baby?
Yeah.
Okay. Jack, can you say 1 John 4:14?
Baby. What does it say?
And we have seen.
And we have seen and do testify that the Father sent the Son to be the Savior of the world.
Good job. Can you say it again? And Mason, will you say it with them? And we?
And we have seen and do testify that the Father sent the Son to be the Savior of the world.
Good job. Can you do it one more time?
And we have seen and do testify that the Father sent the Son to be the Savior of the world.
Good job.
Yay!
Yay! What did the angel say to Joseph about Mary in Matthew 1:21? And she
She shall bring forth a son, and thou call his name Jesus.
for
For he will save his people from their sins. And sins.
Good job. What about your verse for Sunday school, Matthew 8?
27. Even the winds and the sea obey him.
Good job. Mason, can you say it? Even.
Obey.
Obey him. Okay.
Obey him. Obey him.
Who do you obey?
You, God.
That's right.
And we obey our parents too.
That's a good idea. Okay. Does that mean you're going to go right to sleep? Because I'm going to tell you to take a nap?
No. Sleep a big bed.
You're going to sleep in the big bed?
Yes.
Are you going to leave your clothes on?
Not nice. Night.
Night.
I'm gonna lay down so I can watch the movie.
Okay. Love you, boys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.